Good morning, students. This is Manju Dubey, your English teacher, and today I will explain the syllabus for you all so that you will have the clear idea about of your English subject, latest syllabus of 2020 and 2021. Section-wise weightage marks so that you have the clarity about of your weightage. First of all, we will have the part 1. Part 1, as usual, it will of your reading portion, and in reading portion you will get 2 paragraphs. In both paragraph you will get the 12 question, and out of 12 you have to attempt only 10 question. Okay, you have the choice in your reading section also. It means 10 10 20 marks question you have to attempt from your reading portion. Okay, then after this 20 marks you will get the extract from your literature textbook. Extract, I mean one paragraph you will have from your drama or prose section, that will cover off your 5 marks, and other you will have from your poetry section. Okay, so total 10 marks extract you will have at this time. Till last year it was of 5 marks, but this time onward you will have the 10 marks extract. Okay, after extract, it means after reading portion we will have the grammar section. Grammar, you can see here, grammar portion will come of 12 marks, but you have to attempt only 10 questions, so you will get the 10 marks of from your grammar section. Okay, 10 multiple choice of question you have to attempt out of 12. In your grammar, as already I have explained, we have to cover these topics like tenses, modals, subject, verb concord, reported speech like commands and requests, statements, questions, determinants, and the deleted portions are use of passive voice, clauses, noun, adverb, relative, preposition, etc. Okay, these are the deleted portion, so don't get stressed about of this, and we are not supposed to attempt this portion. Okay, and these topics already we have covered. Again I will post video for that so that your revision will go smoothly. Next, part B of your subjective questions, and that will cover of your 40 marks. It means it will cover the writing section as well as the section from your literature. Writing section you will have the formal letter. Formal letter will cover of 5 marks. It will cover only 5 marks. It means you will get the choice along with your formal letter, any one you have to attempt. Okay, you will get 2 question of formal letter or any one you have to attempt. Second 5 marks you will have to go for the analytical paragraph. Analytical paragraph already we have done in the class, and I will post video for this also. It will come along with the choice of your article. Okay, so it's up to you, either you want to attempt the paragraph, you can go by that, or you want to attempt the articles, you can have that also. Then rest of 30 marks will come from your literature. It means 2 marks question, short questions will come from your first flight and footprints without feet. Okay, you have to attempt 2 from your first flight, 2 from your footprints. It means total 4 out of 6 you have to attempt. It will cover your 8 marks. Okay, you can see here. And then after 3 marks question, 3 marks question also you have to attempt 4. It means 2 from your first flight and 2 from your footprints without feet. You will get 6 question, but you have to attempt only 4. Okay, and it will cover your 12 marks. Done. Then last turn is of your long question. Long question you will have to attempt one long question from each book. This long question will also come along with the choice. For one long question you will be getting 5 marks, and other long question you have to get other 5 marks. So be careful, be attentive towards your long question, that you have to attempt 2 long question from each book. Okay, as you can see here also, 1 out of 2 long question type 1 out of 2 long answer type question from footprint without feet on theme or plot involved interpretation, extrapolation beyond the text, inference of your character sketch, or answer is about 100 to 120 words. Okay, and now the deleted portion. The deleted chapter from your book is How to Tell Wild Animals, Trees, Fog, Mishbi the Otter, Fur and Grocery. Okay, and then Footprints Without Feet. Deleted chapters are The Midnight Visitor, A Question of Trust, and The Book That Saved the Earth. These are the deleted chapter from your books. Please take care that these are only the deleted chapter from your books. Okay, so I hope you have the clarity about of your syllabus, and you will do your revision without any doubt. For any other doubt, you can contact me at any time. Okay, thanks.